Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn background app refresh on or off on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on general. Scroll down the general page, locate and click on background app refresh. Then here, to on background app refresh, just click on background app refresh and then set this to Wi-Fi or cellular. Then you can now come here, turn on the application you want to use the background or turn it off. So this is going to allow you to turn on or turn off any of these application background app refresh. However, if you want to disable or turn off background app refresh, click on background app refresh and then select off. Then hit the back button, then you'll see all your background app refresh turned off and then you're good. So that is basically how to turn background app refresh on or off on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.